We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again.
Hey you! Today I'm going to be sharing a grocery haul with you and some very helpful tidbits about buying your groceries and getting them delivered to your house. And I have some cleaning content for you as well, of course. So if you are interested in that sort of content, hit the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. For those of you who are new here, my name is Brittany. I do all things lifestyle, homemaking, mom life, cleaning motivation, organization, home decor. So if you are interested in that sort of content, hit the subscribe button below. Today I have a haul of about 3 different stores that came in. 2 of them were deliveries and 1 was a grocery pickup. I think you guys know which one that is. So I'm going to share everything that I picked up with you, get it all put away. But first I'll need to clear out the refrigerator and organize it all. So let's go ahead and get started. Through Instacart. If you didn't know, this is a helpful tidbit because I didn't know this. You can get Costco groceries without being a Costco member. So if you knew this, good for you. I didn't know it for the longest. I thought I had to have a Costco membership. I do not, because I have an Instacart membership, which is really cool. It's kind of like having a Costco membership, but not only am I able to get Costco, I'm able to get delivery from other stores like Aldi, Randall's. I was really excited to be able to get some groceries from Costco. My family has always been a Sam's Club member. Even since I was a little girl, I have always kept up the Sam's membership for myself as well. But within the last year, I stopped doing Sam's and now I'm doing Costco through Instacart. So the first thing that I picked up was this mango Nectar. I was looking for orange juice. This popped up and it looked just like the Minute Maid orange juice that I like to buy, but it said mango. And I was like, oh, well, I love mango. Let me try mango. And it's a gallon, so I figured that would be nice to try a different juice because I feel like we always drink the same juices. Speaking of, my son loves apple juice and normally we get the Mott's apple juice, but since I was shopping Costco, I wanted to go ahead and get him something that would last for a while. Trying the Kirkland brand, which I've heard so many good things about. So there's 2 gallons in a pack. Ooh, these are heavy. And then we also got the Kirkland organic lemonade. Same thing. Well, no, this is 96 ounces and there's 2 of those in a pack. Hopefully that's good. If it doesn't compare to Simply, I'm going to be a little disappointed because that's my favorite one. I just wanted to try something different, more cost effective, because I do drink lemonade so very fast. Also, I picked up some more Topo Chico. You guys know that I love Topo Chico. These are the plastic bottle kind. I normally get the glass bottles, but they also have plastic bottles. So I picked up a pack of those. Best mineral carbonated water ever. Also needed some more chicken. I ran completely out of chicken and I don't mind chicken thighs, so I got a pack of those and it's amazing because it was only $11 and this is quite a bit of chicken in here. I mean, I think there's like 3 to a pack. And there's 6 packs, so a lot of chicken will last me for quite some time. I also picked up some sweet potato fries because I'm trying to do a little bit better. I love making fries. Also picked up some cooked meatballs. These are the Italian style beef. These would be good for crock pot meals, spaghetti, things like that. And I also think they'll be really good for my son as well. That's the Kirkland brand, so I'm excited to try those. We also ran out of oatmeal, so I picked up a 52 count of the Quaker oatmeal in apples and cinnamon, maple and brown sugar, and cinnamon and spice. I'm not sure that he's tried the cinnamon and spice, so that'd be good. That's gonna last us quite a while. We also got a 24 count of eggs as well. I've been eating a lot of eggs. We've been going through eggs pretty fast, so I got another pack of those. And then I also picked up a pack of peppers. I've been buying the small pack of mini peppers from like H-E-B. I don't cook with them as often, so they go bad faster. The big ones, for some reason, I cook with those a lot faster, and so I got those. Much easier to cut up. I was thinking about getting my son some Capri Suns so that I can get him away from just using the sippy cup. He's 2 years and 2 months now, so I want him to start drinking more out of straws and kind of transition from the sippy cup to more straws, and then we'll transition him to regular cups. But I saw they had the Honest Kids Organic, same count, it's a 40 count, and it was the same price as the 40 count Capri Suns, and it comes in the Super Fruit Punch, Apple Happily Ever After, Very Good Lemonade, and Goodness Greatness. So cute. I've heard really good things about the Honest brand, but this is our first time trying them, so hopefully he really likes it. Then from H-E-B, I picked up ground white turkey. I cooked some tacos last night with the ground turkey that we had, so we were out and we needed more. Got some more blackberries. This is my favorite fruit to get. I had also ordered some strawberries and grapes, but Costco was out, the kind that I ordered, and when the girl asked me about the replacements, I was at the doctor's with my baby, so just didn't have time to respond in time, so they did remove those from the order and refunded me. And then I got some Sriracha Hot Sauce. This is my first time buying and tasting Sriracha. I did taste it. I was very pleased. It is so good. It literally tastes like salsa and hot sauce mixed together to me, and I really love that. Then I got some of the sourdough bread. I wanted to get this to make sandwiches and grilled cheese, grilled sandwiches, paninis, things like that. I heard sourdough is like the best bread to do that with, so I picked that up. Then I also picked up some of these, and you can see I've already eaten one because I was really anxious to try it. Jalapeno cheese bagel. So good, and they're so thick. You have to cut them yourself, but it's worth it. It's great. I also got another Health-Ade kombucha, but I was so thirsty that I drank it. Some of the Go-Go Squeeze as well, and they come in the apple peach, and Gimme 5. I'm not sure what the Give Me 5 is, but we will find out. And then I got some carrots because I didn't want to make like a chicken bake with some of the chicken thighs in the cast iron with some potatoes and carrots. I needed some carrots for that. Gourmet Cucumbers. I love these minis. Again, these are much crunchier than just regular cucumbers, so that's why I love them. Then I got some of the Minute Maid that I was telling you guys about. You guys know that we take a shot of that every morning with our probiotics, vitamins, and medicines. Picked up some of the Dr. Teal's foaming bath. My son loves to take baths in my bathroom, and I was running out of bubble bath for him, so I picked up some of that, and that's perfect because it's sleep bath with melatonin and essential oils, and that's perfect for him before he goes to bed. And then I got him some more Dole diced peaches. He loves these things, so, and I love it that it's 100% all natural juice, because what I do is I'll drain the juice into his sippy cup and let him drink that with like some water, and then I'll give him the peaches on his plate as a snack to go with like his lunch. We'll run out of those pretty quickly, so I'll probably pick some up in a couple of weeks. And then from Walmart, this was the grocery pickup that I did. I picked up some popcorn because I find myself at night when I'm just like YouTube and chilling, or Netflix and chilling, or Disney Plus and chilling, I want a salty snack, but I don't necessarily want to eat chips, because if I open a bag of chips, I won't stop. I like extreme butter. I do have kernels. I could just pop those and make my own popcorn, which I do like to do, but on occasion. It takes a lot of butter to make kernel popcorn. Tastes really good to me, so I prefer not to use all of my good butter on making my own popcorn. It is fun to make your own popcorn because you can add your own seasonings and things like that, but you can also do that with this. So I got some of those, and then I got some spaghetti because we ran out. All we had is fettuccine, club crackers for my son because he loves to eat that with Walmart chicken salad. I was telling you guys about this. It's so good. Love Meg recommended the Market Side creamy chicken wild rice soup, And because the market side chicken salad was so good that she recommended, I went ahead and picked up the soup as well so I could try that. Some Tostitos scoops for nachos. Picked up some little smokies. I like to eat these with my eggs. Croutons. I asked for Caesar, but they ran out, so I got ranch. And then I picked up a Simply Limeade. Since I didn't get the Simply Lemonade, I wanted to go ahead and get at least one Simply. Should have got the blueberry now that I think about it, but Limeade's fine as well. And then I picked up the Prego spaghetti sauce. This is my grocery haul. I'm going to go ahead and get this all put up in the refrigerator, but I got to get the refrigerator clean, and I have a nice big sink to wash down everything in. So let's get started.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again. Pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again.
So the refrigerator has some debris and I just need to wipe this all down. I'm not doing a deep cleaning of the refrigerator, but I am going to wipe down areas where I am seeing spills and things like that. But if the drawer itself or the shelf is not dirty, then I'm not going to take it out and wipe it down. Definitely need some attention.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. So
Guys, this is all liquid drinks, juice, baby juice, water, backup baby juice, lemonade for mommy, all water, carbonated and regular bottled water, oat milk, Simply, the rest of my orange juice backup, mango juice, baby apple juice, got some leftover Welch's grape juice back there, some cranberry juice that we already had, and almond milk way back there. But we drink so many fluids in this house, it's necessary.
pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright.
And more carbonated water. I actually forgot these were down here. I'm not a huge fan. They're okay, but I do need to drink them. So I'm gonna stick them up here so that I don't forget that they're there. And I'm just gonna put all the meats and eggs in this drawer. I like to make sure this fridge will close as I'm loading it.
We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's.
So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit the big thumbs up. And again, if you are new here and you want more homemaking content, hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss another upload. And I hope to see you in another video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mwah.